Okay, Grace, you gonna tell everybody what Alice's doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alice is cooking and Alice is doing all kinds of stuff.
Yeah. There she goes. Let's watch her kick. Alice, you're gonna do some kicks. Or she's just gonna talk to her monkey. Should we show everyone what she's talking to? This gentleman right here.
Is there on the phone?
Yeah, I'm making a video so everyone can see what Allison is doing right now. She's kicking! Kick, 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 kick. She's doing a lot of stuff. She's very awake. She's saying, hi, big sister. Ooh, you're taking her monkey so she can see the whole monkey. Look, Alice. It's your whole monkey.
That's the whole monkey. Everyone clap, 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 clap.
Gentle, gentle, gentle.
Clap, 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 clap.
She's really looking at you too, Grace. Oh, I think she wants to see the monkey. Look, she's like, where's the monkey go? Where'd he go? I missed the monkey.
I'm behind